Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make delicious creamy chocolate ice cream without cocoa powder and condensed milk. So let's get started. For this recipe here I've got 150 gram dark chocolate. I'm using Moday's 45% dark chocolate. We also need milk for this recipe, so here I've got half cup milk. The milk should be warm. Microwave this for a minute or you can place this bowl over a bowl of boiling water. That is a double boiler. Mix the milk and chocolate till they are well combined. And the next very important step is to let this mixture cool down. Do not add it to the cream while it's hot. So set this aside and let it cool down completely. Next I've got 250 ml whipping cream. I'm using dairy whipping cream from Amul brand which comes in red packet. You can also use non-dairy whipping cream which you use for cake decoration. Whip your cream till you get soft peaks or between stiff and soft peaks, like this. Next add the prepared ganache or the chocolate milk mixture. It's very important that you let it cool down and then add to the cream. Mix at low speed. Scrape the sides using a silicone spatula and mix well. Look at the delicious ice cream mixture. Transfer this ice cream mixture to an airtight container. If you want, you can add some choco chips here. Now place the lid and set this in your freezer till the ice cream sets. This would take 5 to 6 hours. Once the ice cream sets, you can serve it. Place the container outside your refrigerator for some time till the ice cream becomes scoopable. You can top this chocolate ice cream with some choco chips, roasted almonds or dry fruits or chocolate syrup, or you can serve it as is. I am topping the ice cream with some choco chips. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!